Well, good afternoon here from Dalian. We're at the Fuguo Gongyuan, which means Fuguo Park. And it's a really neat area in Dalian. You get a fantastic view of the city from here. It's the first time I've ever been here. And we saw this online and people were just raving about the view you get. And it's really fantastic. Now, I will take you to another spot here. I'm kind of off the path a little bit. And there's one path, but there's an area behind me that you can get a better view of the city. But this view is really nice because you can see, a little bit hard to see in the sun, but you can actually keep going. And this path, it's hard to know where it goes, but it would be a really interesting way to go. It's about 4:15, so it's a little bit late in the afternoon on March 21st, solstice day, because the sun will go down in about an hour or so. So I don't want to go on the path too far because it might be quite treacherous to navigate in the daytime, or evening time rather. But just look at this water, the seaside, really gorgeous. There's that really famous bridge that they built a few years ago, and we see there's Xinghai Square. There's a conference center where they often have Davos every other year. And last spring, we went up there as a group, faculty group. And around this area, there's a bunch of deer. And on the other side, there is the zoo. So anyway, let me just pan back here. And I'm just gonna walk forward here to show you the area that I was talking about to get a better view of the city itself. It's really phenomenal. It's probably one of the best areas to view the whole city. Quite a few people here today. It's probably the nicest day we've had so far this spring. Maybe a couple days ago it was a little bit nicer, but today it's phenomenal. Not too windy. So let me just give you a little bit of a tour of the Dalian from here. So I'm going to kind of zoom in. If you can see that tower there, that tower, just in front of that tower is Labor Park. And if you look on the internet on Dalian, you see that giant soccer ball. Well, you can't see it from here, but it's in front of that mountain close to that tower. And by the way, around down there, you see that building? It looks like a kind of a spaceship. So right around there is what I would say would be downtown, like downtown. That's the Labor Park, and that building right, let me see, right there, that's Xinghai Station. So the train station's just in front of that. So that would be considered probably downtown, if you want to call it that, Dalian. Of course, Dalian, like most cities in China, have several downtowns. And right there, this is Peace Plaza. We often like to go there for lunch or dinner on the weekends. Let me just pan this way a little bit. And from here, if I zoom right in, I'm trying to find it here. Right there, that building right there, I can't go anymore. The building with a sloped roof, that is our school building. So what a phenomenal view from this angle. There's the power plant. Looks like a nuclear power plant, but it's not. It's a coal-fired power plant. A lot of folks up here enjoying the sun, enjoying the beautiful weather. If it was a little bit of a clearer day, you might be able to see the water. Let me see if I can zoom right in here. There's the water on the other side of the peninsula. So I am facing, let me me see. I'm facing north now. This is north. So that's north. So, beautiful spot in Dalian on this little beautiful park, Fuguo Gongyuan. So Gongyuan means park in Dalian. Really is a beautiful city in China. So there you go, folks. There's a bit of Dalian for you. And if you come to Dalian, this is a park to visit to see the whole city. It would be nice to see at night, but as you can see, it's pretty treacherous to go down. I wouldn't want to be walking around here at night. So I'll leave you over here with one last view. And I can see, can you see that island in the middle of the sea? Yeah, there's several islands off the coast of Dalian. And this one's pretty prominent, really neat. So, all for now. Take care.